breaking rules on the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, leaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you.
What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hi, I'm Haley and I'm so happy you're stopping by today's video. I hope you'll stick around and subscribe. On my channel, I love sharing tons of cleaning motivation, mom motivation, and all things homemaking and decorating videos. And today we are doing part three of our decluttering series that I'm doing. And today we are focusing on decluttering the hutch if there's anything, and then also the living room. There's just a few things, and I don't even know if I'm actually going to declutter in there, but the main focus is going to be decluttering the bathroom. So that is what we're going to be doing today. I might tidy up if I have enough time, but I hope you guys are ready. Let's go ahead and get to decluttering.
Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the street, every freak out singing like.
I first wanted to start in this hutch today, and I started out with the drawer, and I took pretty much I moved everything and then saw if I needed it. There was a few coloring books of Waverly's that were full that we no longer needed. There were some papers that were not supposed to be there. They were supposed to be with our bills or something like that. So I didn't do too much decluttering. It was more just straightening and then just putting things where they actually belong, and they just kind of got stuck there. So I didn't do too much decluttering in here. And then on the bottom section of the hutch, I really didn't declutter anything too much. I didn't declutter it that much either. A couple of months ago went through the bottom part and kind of organized it. So I just did some straightening up. I do have some extra decor down there, but I made a spot down below for my camera, which is nice that has a home now. And then I also made a spot on this drawer for my laptop. So that's really nice that those places have homes, because I feel like right now they're just kind of floating everywhere. They don't have a specific space. So that's nice that I was able to find an area for both of those items, so they're not just sitting wherever.
Where's the fun in doing what you're told? But I don't mind even though I lose control. Oh, I just wanna have a good time, so call me whenever, 'cause a night like this, it never gets old. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the street, every freak out singing like.
into this living room. I was tidying up the living room just really quick. It really wasn't too messy. We just had a few things out that I needed to take care of really quick. And then I did look in our little side table in between the couches, and there was just a few blankets that I want to keep and then some games. And so I didn't really want to get rid of any of those things. And then I wanted to keep all of our DVDs and games and stuff like that. So I didn't end up decluttering anything in the bathroom today. I'm not in the bathroom, in the living room today, which is totally fine. But I'm going ahead now and going to straighten up the bathroom first, and then I will go ahead and start to declutter my little drawer that I have, and then also my little drawers that are on the counter. I wanted to make sure that I was keeping things that I wanted to use whenever I get my new storage organizer for my why can I not talk today? My bathroom makeover. And I will say, I definitely think I could have gotten rid of more eyeshadow palettes, but for some reason I was just having a hard time. I was like, no, I think I'll actually use these. So I ended up keeping them, a few of them. There was like 3 of them that I didn't know for sure if I wanted, but looking back, if I don't use them in the next like couple of months pretty often, I probably am going to just get rid of them because I don't use them and there's really no point in using it here. I was like, oh, I'm gonna see if I actually like the way this looks on here, if I like, because I haven't used it in so long. But yeah, just note, sometimes decluttering, it can be hard, and I feel like we all have those few things that we kind of have a hard time decluttering, and that is okay. But I did get rid of some things, so I was really happy about that. And honestly, a lot of it was just like gross and you like for sure was expired, so that was nice that I was able to get rid of some things. And honestly, whenever I put up my new organizer for the bathroom, if it doesn't fit, I will be narrowing down how much I have and getting rid of it, because I really want all my makeup to fit into this organizer that I'm getting. So I might actually be decluttering more. I feel like since I have the room now, I'm keeping it, but if I end up not having enough room or something, I will get rid of it. Okay, now that I have this top area done, I'm moving down to below where the towels are, and I went ahead and just straightened up the towels for the most part, and then just straightened up Waverly's items. I think I'm going to, when I get my little bathroom organizer, I'm going to use that one and put it down below here and kind of use it for more of Waverly's things, like an extras, like extra toothpaste. She has like bath, like crackle stuff, extra toothpaste for her, toothbrushes, all that kind of stuff, just because I think it'll help be a little bit more organized. I'm sure I'm going to share all of that when I actually film that whole thing, and I'm kind of wanting to, we'll see what all can fit when I get everything put together. I might have to get a few more organization things, but for the most part, I did get rid of the stuff that I wasn't using anymore, so that was nice. I didn't get rid of a ton, but that's okay. I was happy with what I ended up getting rid of. So I went to the dollar store, and I'm just tidying up the kitchen now, but I went to the dollar store and I got Waverly some more flavored water. She loves getting some flavored water, and to just make sure she's getting enough water, I will just put a little bit in, like, I don't even, like, she just has a little water, and I just put enough to basically color the water, and that's about it. So she'll have that. She really doesn't have it like every day, like, it just honestly depends. I feel like she goes through spurts of when she wants it more, but I got her that so that way I can make sure she's getting enough water. And then I ended up getting a bigger, like, the more rectangle organizers, you can see it now, for her dresser, just so I can organize her like underwear and socks and all that a little bit better. And then I took that one that was in here out into her room, just because we had it was getting all combined and messed up. So now that I got that, I went and had him put that one back because it was a little bit bigger and it didn't fit that well in there. But I'm going to wipe the counters and then we are going to tackle the dishes here in a minute.
If you wanna see some crazy and also lazy, then you should meet me and my friends. Even though we got no money, for sure it's so funny. Yeah, everything's better with them. We're just like ooh, ooh, ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just do, ooh, ooh, what we wanna do tonight. Waking up at sundown, the world's our playground, and we don't even have to pretend. Every time we're together, it doesn't get better, and every day's like a weekend. We're just like ooh, ooh, ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just do, ooh, ooh, what we wanna do tonight. So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be like you. Oh, 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 oh. You see, we just like a little crazy, and we're following our heartbeats. We don't wanna be like you. Oh, 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 oh. Got the boombox blasting and we're just laughing. The neighbors try to shut us down, but you know they can't blame us for acting shameless. Now we just like to have some fun. We're just like ooh, ooh, ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just do, ooh, ooh, what we wanna do tonight. Before we all grow old.
We had the counters all clean. I went ahead and unloaded the dishwasher because that was cleaned, and then I went ahead and loaded the dishes and hand washed some of the dishes that needed it too.
So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be like you. Oh, 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 oh. You see, we just like a little crazy, and we're following our heartbeats. We don't wanna be like you. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah. Don't wanna be like you. Don't wanna act like you. Oh, 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 yeah. Don't wanna be like you. Don't wanna act like you. Oh, 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 oh. And I know that I'm just wasting time, but I don't wanna let it go. I don't wanna let it go. And I know that I might not be fine, but I will never let it go. No, I will never let it go. So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. How I should. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be like you. Oh, 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 oh. You see, we just like a little crazy, and we're following our heartbeats. We don't wanna be like you. Oh, oh, oh. Don't wanna be like you. Don't wanna be like you. Don't wanna act like you. Oh, oh, oh. Don't wanna be like you. Don't wanna be like you. Don't wanna act like you. Oh, oh, oh. Don't wanna be like you.
Last thing that we're going to be doing in today's video is just hand washing these dishes and then cleaning out the sink, and then that's going to wrap up today's video. Thank you guys all so much for being here and watching. I hope you are able to get tons of cleaning motivation, decluttering motivation, and I hope if you enjoyed this video you'll give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like these then be sure that you're subscribed so you don't miss any more of them, and I will see you guys all in my very next video. Bye you guys.
All that I do is wait for you. I'm standing and I'm not breathing. Why can't you forget the reason you left? You tend to hide your feelings. Yeah, you keep